If you see a powertrain malfunction warning on your Ford, it means the vehicle has detected a problem affecting the engine or transmission, and it may enter limp mode to protect itself. When the message appears, reduce speed and pull over safely, since reduced power is often intentional to prevent further damage. Once stopped, check the basics first. Make sure you have enough fuel and confirm engine oil and transmission fluid levels are correct and not dirty or low. After that, consider common sensor-related causes, such as a dirty mass airflow sensor, throttle body issues, or a faulty map sensor. Sometimes a loose connector or buildup can trigger the warning. You can try turning the vehicle off for a few minutes to see if the system resets, and if you have an OBD2 scanner, read the stored fault codes to identify the exact issue. If the warning returns, inspect wiring around the battery and engine bay for corrosion or damage, and on turbo models check for vacuum leaks or cracked hoses. If the problem persists, a professional diagnostic is recommended to evaluate control modules, software updates, or deeper transmission faults before they become more expensive repairs.